According to Bloomberg report, Apple is designing and producing its own device displays for the first time, using a secret manufacturing facility near its California headquarters to make small numbers of the screens for testing purposes. Apple is making a significant investment in the development of next generation micro LED screens. Micro LED screens use different light emitting compounds than the current OLED displays and promise to make future gadgets slimmer, brighter, and less power hungry. The screens are far more difficult to produce than OLED displays. About 300 engineers are designing and producing micro LED screens at a secret manufacturing facility in Santa Clara, California. Apple aims to make the micro LED screens available first in its Apple Watch. Creating micro LED screens is extraordinarily complex. Depending on the screen size, they can contain millions of individual pixels. Each has 3 subpixels, red, green, and blue LEDs. Each of these tiny LEDs must be individually created and calibrated.